Welcome to my channel, Breeze and Waves, dear viewers. If you love the ocean, stunning coastal landscapes, and the soothing sound of waves, you're in for a treat. Today I'm taking you on a relaxing walk along beach Leblon, a place that looks like a dream. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's enjoy this peaceful journey. Get exclusive beach walks, behind the scenes content, and early access to new videos on Patreon. Support the journey and explore hidden paradise spots with me, Island Heart